Hi there, Andrea here. I have a really good one for you today. Your most challenging moments in life are your biggest opportunities for growth. Yes, you get what I'm saying here. We don't want to avoid challenges in life. We want to embrace them. We want to take them on head on and see, like when you make it through, because you will make it through, we all do every single challenge. When you make it through, then you can see, like, wow, how have I grown? What have I learned? Do you get what I'm saying? So don't avoid challenges, actually step boldly into them, and then notice the impact, or what's impacting you or your life or your business or whatever it is. Embrace it.